Today we're doing the pumpkin balloon. I'm going to start by telling you a little bit how we get to this point, okay, in a quick tutorial. This is what we're doing. We're going to create, to create this shape, we need something that is called apple twist. And this is the way we do it to achieve this shape. We're going to inflate, I'm using this one as an example. This is probably this is like a 9-inch balloon. So I'm going to inflate it a little bit. About this much is okay to do it. And the apple twist, you know how every time when we inflate balloons, we try to tie it closest to this area towards the balloon and not towards us. So in this case, we're going to tie it towards us, pulling, you know, and we're going to squish. See how the balloon changed shape? And what I did, my way to do it, the way I figured out it works for me, is I attach 4 twisters. These kind of balloons are called twisters. Some people call them by other kind of names, but you know, for me it's easier to remember than as the twisters. So I tie all 4, and remember I'm using here just an example on how I get here. And I push it in all the way to this area, and we're going to grab. And we're going to twist. Why is it called an apple twist? Because the balloon holds the shapes of an apple, as you can see. And with another twist that I left over that I have, I just grab it and I went on the top of it and I tied it. By doing this is how I got here, okay? So let's set this aside. And after I got all my 4 twisters in, and see, I use a black one, I'm going to just split them, and we're going to pass it around until we get that pumpkin shape. So what I did is I go one on one, side to side. We're going to pass it over and twist on the opposite direction and go all the way back again, and we're going to make a knock. This is an activity, I would say, for 8 years old and older. Probably they are going to be that age, they are good to do this kind of, you know, this is like, I would say, a medium level difficulty craft. So we'll do the same thing. We go from side to side, twist on the opposite direction, and we get that pumpkin shape right here. You know, you can tie it, and can you see that? It looks like a pumpkin, isn't it? Here I use a twister, another twister, and I just curly it. And with the same 2 tails that I leave from the same twister that I used to wrap it around, remember, when I was doing the apple twist, I'm going to just incorporate this by tying it again. And I got my little pumpkin here. You know, this can be a really nice activity. For example, for Thanksgiving Day as a craft, you can do it, like pass it around to the kids and let them work on it, show them how to do it. And also, with a marker, we can say, okay, let's write on our pumpkin what I'm thankful for. I am thankful for family, right? For family, for friends, okay, for mom, and we go on and on. I saw this pumpkin. Well, it was not exactly this kind of pumpkin, with a really cute pumpkin made by another um, lady that she do balloons on the south of California, and she integrate the pumpkins into a garland, and it looks so beautiful. The way, you know, you can just design it, create it, and for your to add like a chic touch to your garlands for your clients are going to be so, oh my goodness, that is so cute. It is really cute, huh? And it is easy, you know, when you catch how to do. I think that the hardest part is doing the apple twist. Believe me, when I was doing the apple twist in this, by adding all four of these twisters into it, it came up like, I don't know, probably 7 times as I was trying to tighten and tighten and tighten. This is my way to do it. I hope you enjoy watching this or learning how to, or probably I give you an idea. You have your own way to do it. And you know, we all have something unique to offer. And yeah, I hope you like it. I'll see